Hello everyone and welcome to Organism of the Week. My name is Marie and today we are going to talk about the giant sequoia. But first we want to let you know that if you visit the museum, find someone wearing a green shirt like this one and we will give you one of our custom-made biocards. This week we will have giant sequoia biocards, and each Monday there will be a new Organism of the Week video to go with a matching biocard. Alright, let's talk about these amazing trees. Giant sequoia are the largest trees in the entire world. Did you know that there is one on BYU campus? Well, there is, and it's right next to the duck pond. These trees aren't only found in California, but are occasionally used in landscape designs. However, they grow naturally in scattered groves along the western slopes of the Sierra Nevada mountains in central California. The giant sequoia is amazing and unique because they are huge. Most giant sequoia grow up to about 250 feet, which is about as tall as a 26-story building. But the tallest giant sequoia grew to a staggering 379 feet tall. That's over 100 feet taller than the average giant sequoia. These trees are also extremely heavy. The largest giant sequoia is called General Sherman and weighs about 2.7 million pounds. That's the equivalent of about 300 male elephants. So how do giant sequoia get so giant? They reach large sizes because they grow very quickly and they live for a very long time. They can live over 3,000 years old. Many of the sequoia found in California are about 2,000 to 3,000 years old. If a giant sequoia germinated 3,000 years ago, that means it would have started growing before Jesus was born. These trees may be the great-grandpas of the plant world, but they're actually only the third longest living tree species. The bristlecone pine and alercia trees live longer. Giant sequoia also live for a long time because they are able to protect themselves from natural threats. They are too massive to be blown over by wind, and their bark can grow up to 3 feet thick, which protects them from insect damage and periodic fires. Fire is actually an important element in the giant sequoia forests. Seedlings need nutrient-rich soil, lots of sunlight, and an area free of competition from other plants. Periodic wildfires help produce all of these conditions and are therefore very beneficial to the reproduction of sequoia trees. Fire suppression policies created over the past few years have caused an increase in brush growth, which makes it difficult for new sequoias to grow. Because of this, and also because of climate change, the giant sequoia is endangered. Not only are these trees amazing to look at, but they also provide important habitat for many animals, including 6 species of bats and fungus gnats, which play a vital role in the forest ecosystem. It's important that we protect these trees. Thankfully, there are organizations dedicated to help the giant sequoia through conservation research. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to submit any questions you have about next week's organism, the western meadowlark. The question survey will be posted on Tuesdays and can be found on our website, Facebook, or Instagram. See you next week.